I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer PayPal to RCBC. Moving your funds from PayPal to your RCBC bank account is a straightforward process once you know the steps. We'll guide you through linking your accounts, initiating a transfer, and understanding the associated fees and timelines. This will help you manage your finances efficiently and access your PayPal earnings with ease. To begin, log into your PayPal account and head to the Wallet section. Here, you'll find the option to link a new bank account. Carefully enter your RCBC bank details, including Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation as the bank name and your account number. For verification, PayPal typically sends 2 small deposits, usually less than 1 peso, to your RCBC account. Once these appear, you'll confirm the amounts in PayPal to complete the linking process. 1-2-17. Once your accounts are linked, initiating a transfer is simple. From your PayPal dashboard, click on Transfer Money or Withdraw. It's crucial to select your linked RCBC * bank account * as the destination, rather than a debit card to potentially incur lower fees. Input the exact amount you wish to transfer. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details to ensure accuracy, then confirm your withdrawal. 1-2-14-16. Regarding fees, transfers under 7,000 Philippine pesos to your RCBC bank account typically incur a 70 peso charge. For amounts of 7,000 pesos or more, the fee is usually 20 pesos. Standard transfers generally take 1 to 3 business days to reflect in your RCBC account, though it can sometimes extend to 5 business days. PayPal also has per-transaction limits, which can be up to $60,000 for verified accounts, so always check your specific limits before large transfers. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.